weren't you taught division of fractions this way? Most grade schoolers would look at this and try to remember what their teacher said and think, okay, I know this one. Keep, change, flip. Which works, but think about this instead. What did I just do? I made a common denominator, a common piece size, to make it make more sense in this case. 16/20ths divided into groups of 1/20th, the answer's gotta be 16. You basically divide straight across. The same way you multiply straight across, by the way. 16 divided by 1 is 16, 20 divided by 20 is 1. And then 16 over 1, it's really anything 16 divided by 1 is just 16. So there are 16 groups of 1/20th in 4/5. And kids are gonna think that's wrong. That's a pretty big whole number, and these are fractions. So you gotta build that sense making. Same problem using keep, change, flip. I kept the first fraction, I flipped the sign from division to multiplication, and I flipped 1/20th to 20 over 1. Multiply straight across 85ths, that's the answer. But you little kids are gonna now have to do long division, which is another big old pain, which I'll discuss later, to get 16. So I ask you which way was easier and made more sense. There are lots of examples where it's not quite that simple and straightforward, because this one, for example, 2/3 divided by 1/2. If I find the common denominator, which in itself some kids have a difficult time doing, but 4/6 divided by 3/6, you divide straight across, you get 4 divided by 3, which is 4/3. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So now you're left with a complex fraction, 4/3 over 1. Well, this says 4/3 divided by 1. Anything divided by 1 is still just, the answer is 4/3, which would also be considered 1 and 1/3. Would keep, change, flip be easier here? Potentially, yes. However, this answer of 1 and 1/3, again, might not make sense to kids. But here you can see that it takes more than one group of 3/6 to make 4/6. So work on this. Different examples. Have a great day.